Loading a style sheet works similar to loading variables in that both have a load method and an onload event handler. Now we're going to apply the onload event handler to control what happens once the file is actually loaded. I'm going to go 2 lines below the last line we created and type my style with capital S dot onload with capital L space equals space function open parenthesis p underscore success close parenthesis colon void with capital V. Alright, what this line is saying is when this file is done loading, when the mycss.css file is done loading and it's ready to use, and that's what the p underscore success parameter does. Remember, that's the true or false parameter. You can also type this if we wanted to use strict typing. Go down to the next line, open bracket, enter, close bracket, up arrow, enter, get between the brackets. Now I'm going to type the text block I want the style sheet to apply to, which is txt underscore info dot style sheet with capital S space equals space my style. So that will apply our style sheet to our text box. And since we want to make sure that the style sheet is loaded in before the text is loaded into the text box, we're going to scroll down, we're going to grab this text, the one that loads in the HTML text. I'm going to press Ctrl X, I'm going to click under here, press Ctrl V to paste it in. So now it will load the HTML text after the style sheet is loaded in. There's one more step that you got to do before this all works. I'm going to go back to my HTML text file. At the very beginning, I'm going to put a paragraph tag by typing less than p greater than sign. Going to the very end, less than sign / p greater than sign. Now this paragraph tag works a little bit different when you're using Flash than it does when you're using just HTML. We're going to use this to apply our style sheet in Flash. So once you have that ready, it will apply what we put by in our style sheet. Remember the P area. It will apply this to whatever's in those tags in your text document. Go back to Flash, test the movie. Voila! The style sheet is loaded in, the font is changed, you roll over the button still works, has the rollover state, still scrolls, everything. So there's how you apply CSS to your Flash files.